Eco-design materials and training contents developed in Inedic were tested in 10 companies from the 3 participating countries, Portugal, Spain and Greece.
Eco-design is the systematic integration of environmental considerations in the design process of products, along with other conventional criteria such as functionality, cost, ergonomics or aesthetics, with the objective of reducing a product's environmental impact throughout its life cycle. All products have some impact on the environment, which may occur at any or all stages of the product's life cycle, from raw material extraction to the manufacturing processes, distribution, use and end of life. It is estimated that over 80% of all product-related environmental impacts are determined by design, so eco-design is a very promising approach to sustainable consumption and production, which has been applied in numerous products of many economic sectors. In the case of ceramics, there is a lack of know-how amongst companies, designers and vocational training and educational institutions in the field of eco-design. Inedic aims to fill this gap by providing training materials and tools specially developed for ceramic products from different subsectors: structural ceramics, ornamental and tableware, floor and wall tiles, sanitary ware. The project started with a situation analysis to identify training needs and supply eco-design in ceramics and the needs of companies and the vocational education and training institutions.
A situation analysis was done to detect lacks that should be covered by Inedic project. We detected that Spain and Portugal have much more industrialized ceramic sector than Greece. In this sense, eco-design training needs are quite different. For example, in the case of Spain and Portugal, the eco-design culture has just started. Companies know what the eco-design is and define its importance in the reduction of environmental impacts, considering it as a competitiveness factor. But all the efforts till now are focused mainly on production stage. For the future, we think that Inedic should encompass the role of ceramic products in the sustainability profile of buildings.
And regarding to Greece, there is great interest in eco-design to attract young people in vocational training centers through Inedic or other ideas. Ceramists are interested in adjusting the new reality of eco-design to promote their business, but also to protect the environment and become more competitive.
Companies' representatives, mostly designers, environmental experts and marketeers, participated in pilot training sessions and demonstration projects. This was important to ensure the adequacy and the high quality of the resources developed, and also because it triggered the development of new products which are innovative and more eco-efficient and can be seen as good practice and inspiring examples to other companies. Our aim is to support the competitiveness of the ceramic sector in the context of globalization and sustainable development challenges.
Revigres is recognized for developing multifunctional products, which combine aesthetics with energy efficiency technical functions to promote sustainable construction. Having this mission in mind, the Inedic project was a true challenge to the company with the development of ecotech, as it contributes to sustainability while keeping the functionality, quality, safety, cost, manufacturability, aesthetics and ergonomic requirements. Ecotech is a tile with high environmental performance whose main characteristics are the use of 90% of recycled paste, the reduction of energy consumption in production, the reuse of consumables such as screens, cleats, etc., and the use of recycled micro-corrugated cardboard in packaging. At Feria e Bento, eco-design strategies were established for improving an existing product line, the shackle line, after an in-depth analysis, following the Inedic project's methods and tools. The product can be stored at the freezer and taken to the oven and the stove, and also to the table. The improvement options for new products focus on innovation, functionality and resources, saving in manufacturing and during the use phase. At Cerâmica Moderna do Olival, a company established in 1965 that is nowadays devoted to produce bricks and prefabricated walls, the demo product was the super rendiment brick. After doing a market, environmental and economic analysis of the product, the project ended with a brainstorming session where many ideas were generated. While some of them are feasible in the short term, others need further research to assess their feasibility. For Cerâmica Moderna do Olival, there is a strong market driver for eco-design, since the majority of the production is exported to Belgium and the Netherlands with high environmental standards. In the context of Inedic, Porcelanas de Costa Verde developed Minimum, a multifunctional cooking set of pieces for microwave to store, heat and serve food, produced with 100% recycled material from the regular production. Other environmental advantages of the new product are: the glaze is reused, there is a reduction of energy consumption in production, and the packaging, made of recycled cardboard, has a double function. Costa Verde designs, develops, manufactures and sells porcelain tableware. It has a prominent position in the national and Iberian markets, in the hospitality and domestic segments. For Costa Verde, this initiative was extremely important. The Inedic project has shown, by providing a set of tools, a systematic approach for the design and the production of more environmentally friendly new products. Its tools help to provide accurate data at any stage of the project.
Hello everyone, my name is Leonidas Omakos and I represent the core partner from Greece for the Inedic project. Our company is Arvis Environmental Enterprises of Greece SA. We were leaders of the demo projects which took place in another area of Greece called Volos, which is located in central Greece, where we had 4 test partners. The first one was the Municipal Vocational Educational Training Center, called DEC, in which they prepared a decorative pair of ceramic flowers as their final deliverable. The second demo project was prepared from Eva Art Pottery, which is located outside of Volos in the suburbs. And they decided to create a decorative ceramic suitcase which acts as an atmospheric source of light. The third one is Mrs. Dimitriadou workshop, which decided to prepare a decorative pair of fish. And the final is Mr. Giannakopoulos workshop who decided to create a traditional Greek decorative fishing boat.
Ceracasa es una empresa cerámica con una tradición de más de 27 años en la fabricación y comercialización de productos cerámicos. Desde hace alrededor de 6 años, Ceracasa está especializada en productos que aporten un valor añadido al usuario o al entorno en el que se pueden ubicar. La realización de productos con conceptos de ecodiseño otorga, digamos, un valor en el mercado creciente, ¿no? Ahora mismo lo que estamos detectando es que esta tipología de productos va a condicionar seguramente la construcción de los próximos años en toda Europa. Para Ceracasa este proyecto ha sido muy interesante porque realmente hemos aplicado novedosas herramientas que han hecho que el producto se vea desde otra perspectiva o desde otra figura. El proyecto no ha acabado, el proyecto ha empezado. Realmente estamos con herramientas tipo el ACV, el análisis de ciclo de vida y otras, estamos detectando puntos que podemos mejorar. Al final lo que estamos viendo con todo este proyecto es que es necesario cambiar la perspectiva del diseño del producto, entendido como un producto que tiene que diseñar una persona. El diseño del producto ahora tiene que tener otras informaciones, otra tipología de verificación de datos, más información en distintas áreas, más relación con distintas áreas, que es lo que te va a dar el poder diseñar con un concepto más global dentro de una empresa, que a la vez te va a dar el poder hacer productos que tengan más potencial o más capacidad a la hora de llevarlos al mercado, ¿no?
Buenas tardes, soy Carlos Serra, director de calidad y medio ambiente de la empresa Cartonajes La Plana. Os preguntaréis por qué una empresa cartonera participa en un proyecto de ecodiseño para productos cerámicos. Pues bien, las baldosas cerámicas se comercializan envasadas y nosotros, como parte de la cadena de producción y distribución, pensamos que aportamos un valor añadido al producto cerámico. El manual Inedic nos ha demostrado que todo aquello que nosotros hacíamos de forma intuitiva o bajo el sistema de gestión ambiental, si incluimos el diseño en el alcance del sistema, estamos llevando a cabo un ecodiseño. Inedic nos ayuda a integrar sistemáticamente los aspectos ambientales en el diseño de nuestros productos.
One of the main results of the Inedic project is the eco-design manual. It is not just another manual or method for eco-design, but rather a specialized resource which was developed for ceramic products. There are Portuguese, Spanish, Greek and English versions of it.
The manual's organization follows an 8-step approach to eco-design projects based on best practice. For each step, objectives, activities, results and supporting resources have been described. Step 1 is about planning the eco-design project and drafting the brief. In Step 2, the reference product or use scenario goes through market, environmental, economic and legal analysis. Then, definition of the eco-design strategies applicable to the new product or concept follows in Step 3. In Step 4, new product concept is defined and is detailed in Step 5. Step 6 concerns production and market launch, and Step 7 is about the evaluation of the new product or solution and the evaluation of the project itself. And finally, eco-design should be rooted in companies' procedures or management systems. This is addressed in Step 8, which also opens for new sustainability strategies in the future product development. This stepwise approach is presented in Chapter 2. The manual includes also 12 chapters and 15 tools that support design and development teams in a successful implementation of eco-design. All these resources are available in the project's website.
Companies in the ceramic sector are taking steps in the field of eco-design in their contribution to sustainable development.
For the successful training of designers and companies on the Inedic eco-design concepts and tools, a 30-hour course was developed following the active learning method. The course is explained in the support material for trainers available at the project website.
The Inedic databases of materials and technology aim to support the design choices for ceramic products. The technologies database consists of technical data sheets for each operation of the ceramic process to the 4 subsectors. Each data sheet contains a description of the ceramic unit process, environmental aspects, best available techniques for improving the environmental performance, and eco-design measures. The materials database is grouped into 3 categories. Firstly, we cover materials from the process, namely byproducts, which can be used as raw materials. Secondly, recycled materials from external sources. And thirdly, substitute materials, which can replace those normally used in the process with environmental advantages.
On the 12th October 2011, the final Inedic conference took place in the auditorium of the International Lisbon Fair, in the context of Intercasa and in partnership with the Lisbon Design Show. The conference brought together nearly 80 participants from industry, academia and design companies. Besides, the presentations about eco-design and Inedic, the ceramic products developed during the project were shown and also displayed in the Inedic stand during the Intercasa week. Companies shared their experiences with eco-design and the project. There were debates, and at the end of the day, all participants socialized in the Inedic buffet. It was time for an informal exchange of experiences and enjoyment.
Hello. The conclusions of the Inedic final conference World Cafe debate were the following. First of all, eco-design was agreed as a high-value tool for the competitiveness of the ceramic sector through different ways. One of them is the cost reduction. Secondly, eco-design was also confirmed as a good tool for the development of innovation in the ceramic sector, both through the development of new technologies and also through new market opportunities.
In addition, it was confirmed the need of training in eco-design, and finally a new challenge for future was identified: eco-design in technical ceramics.
For ESAD, participating in Inedic project as a core partner was a very important and fulfilling experience. We had the opportunity to contribute with our experience in design and apply technologies to the ceramic industrial sector. But more important than that was the opportunity this project offered us to apply the principles of eco-design thinking and acting in the ceramic industry. Eco-design thinking and acting in design plays a fundamental role in the definition of strategies for competitiveness. ESAD was the first school of design in Portugal to offer an optional unit in eco-design. Today, besides the practice of eco-design thinking in all units of our curriculum, we are studying the opportunity to create a master's degree in eco-design and sustainability, where the various contents and tools developed in Inedic project will be included. The results achieved in this project make us believe that it is possible to produce different and better for the future.
The project Inedic, with the various components in the area of training and demonstration in companies, as well as the methodology and range of tools used, gave results very easy to be widely disseminated. In this sense, we will transmit this experience to all designers who collaborate with us, using our communication channels, website and newsletter, and through training for companies and designers in our initiative.
Designers as agents of dynamism and innovation within the enterprise are responsible for stimulating the interest of business to reduce environmental impact. Design taking over this responsibility contributes more effectively to the competitiveness of Portuguese companies in the international market.
The Inedic project was a great learning experience to everyone involved. All the results are available for free at www.inedic.net. The consortium hopes that they will be widely used by designers, trainers and teachers, environmental experts and other professionals in their work towards a more sustainable society.